PhotoDirector, the available and easy-to-use editor who will help you quickly and just to add effects to your photos. The program provides big toolkit for processing of photos. You will be able to remove undesirable people and objects from your pictures, to adjust color saturation, to modify tone. You can quickly edit photos on your mobile device and share them in Facebook, Flickr, etc. You will be able to establish by one pressing presets or even to add HDR effects to create live, beautiful photos on the run. Everyone will be able to achieve improbable, DSLR-like results with PhotoDirector for a couple of seconds. Change the photos on smartphones and make them similar that they have been removed on Canon or Nikon. Photoshop your photos of travel to improve landscape images and to create professional quality of works from the usual photo. This holiday season uses our PhotoFramework, filters and effects to add touch of festive magic to your photos. This fast application for editing photos is combined by the multi-purpose editor of photos with richly creative creator of collages who allows you to adjust RGB with the visual histogram, change balance white or saturation or apply photo effects and settings to all image or certain regions. Use the photo filters only one contact to apply effects of flash of a lens or to create light of the filtered photos. The PhotoDirector application provides you a set of the tools allowing to turn your daily photos into fascinating illustrations in National Geographical style. All best functions necessary for improvement and setting up images in one application.